Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven Maureen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all of my plans, my sewing plans for December. So this is the last month of 2023 and I want to go out with a bang. So on top of making things that, I normally make, like clothes for myself, I'm also participating in Vlogmas this year. So in between some of those clothing vlogs, you're going to see some Vlogmas vlogs. And so I'm super excited. This is my first year and I'm literally going to try to post a video once a day on this channel, whether that's my normal content or whether that is Vlogmas content. So wish me luck. All right, let's get into these makes. I'm so excited to share all of this with you. And some of it may seem familiar because if you watched what my November sewing plans were, I didn't get to everything. And if you watch my November sewing recap, then you know why I didn't get to everything. But y'all know what it is and y'all can relate. So listen, let's get into this. Okay, so in no particular order, I am revisiting my brown wool cape idea that I want to do with New Look 6768. I think that's the pattern number. I'm going to put it up anyway. And I have 3 yards of this. I have been like trying to get to this project, y'all, like trying. So I'm excited. Hopefully I can get to it. I've seen a couple people post it online and people are getting really creative with the colors and whatnot and the textures that they use. And it's really making me very excited to get into this. So yeah, stay tuned. Something else I talked about in my November sewing plans, this green fabric may look familiar to you, and that's because I want to use this green fabric to make KnowMe pattern 2001, which is Beauty J'adore's overcoat. It's got these huge lapels. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I can't believe I didn't get to it in November. Like, what the hell? So this is a major priority for me this month because yeah, like I told y'all, I waited too long to make it at the top of this year and it got too warm too quickly. And now I'm like, I need to make it. I just need to make it. So you may have heard me talk about this faux leather in my what I'm sewing this week vlog that I made, and I just never got to it. And by the time that I started cutting my pattern pieces for this, by the way, I wanted to do the Cielo dress in this. One, not only was I missing a tile from the PDF tiles, yes, like what the heck. Two, I didn't realize that once I like had them printed and stuff, I didn't realize that like the sleeve, the facing, and like something else were like in a totally different PDF file. Like I was just not set up for success with that. And then I realized when I started mapping things out that your girl ain't got enough faux leather. So I did a thing. Don't hate me. So I picked up this fabric. Actually, no. I picked up this white twill fabric from Hobby Lobby and I said I could dye it. So I dyed this fabric. It was once white and now it's like magenta-ish. It smells kind of good too. And so I kind of want to use these to contrast one another, even though they're not 100% alike. Like when I bought the Rit Dye bottle, like this was the color on the bottle. To be honest with you, I don't know if I let it stay in the bucket long enough to get it to this color. But I still like these together, and I think this could actually make a really nice contrast, even if the dye is a little uneven in places. It's honestly giving me like faux suede type vibes, or like a micro suede vibe. Micro suede, faux leather, like that's cute. So I did record my process with this. And I'm debating, y'all let me know. So I was going to save it for like when I'm actually doing my vlog for this dress, or like, should I break it out and make it a totally separate video? You guys let me know in the comments because it's some valuable information in there. I feel like it could really help anyone who's interested in dyeing fabric and whatnot. And I had fun with it. So I feel like I want to dye some more fabric in 2024. So this next thing I actually teased in my pattern review for KnowMe 2054. I like the pants so much, I went and got some denim. So I got 5.5 yards. Basically, I told him, give me the bulk. And it was because when I was getting like the 4 yards, I saw it was like a little scrap left and I was like, I'll just take the whole thing. Anyway, I like this wash and I have more than enough to do all the pockets. I still don't know if I will do all the pockets, but I think I want to add the bottom front pockets to this one because I think that could actually be really cute and whatnot. And so anyway, I teased it in the other video, but I really want to make these. If it doesn't happen in December, it can definitely happen in January for me, and that's fine. But I do like this idea for denim, and I'm really excited to do it. Okay, so if you've been rocking with me for a minute, then you might recognize this from one of my Goodwill vlogs. It's a quilt that I got from the Goodwill. It's really like a quilted comforter. And I want to make quilted pants, y'all. Yeah, I do. And I don't have a pattern for it yet, but I think it's cute. Like, I've seen some Pinterest ideas and I'm like Snow Bunny, but make it pedestrian. I don't know, but I think it could actually be cute. And I'm like, oh, what if I contrasted it some kind of way with like the underside of this or the red? Like, I think I want some quilted pants. I've made a quilted skirt. The last thing I want to do, actually, I don't want to call it the last thing, but I want to make this next thing for New Year's, right? And when I saw this pattern, I immediately thought of Meghan Markle, and I was like, and y'all know she's one of my style icons. I love her. I thought about her and I was like, I want this pattern. So, Vogue 1982. I want to make this just to have for New Year's. Like, we don't have New Year's plans, but this is cute and I want this in my closet. So I don't know what fabric I want to use yet. I don't know yet. And I don't even know if it exists in my stash. But what I do know is I want to make this dress. I want to make the long one. I just think that's beautiful. Y'all, it's beautiful. I really like this. And no discussion. This dress is everything. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. I didn't even check to see. Y'all, I didn't even check to see what the yardage was. Okay, so all right. I may have to walk this back. Maybe this is something that if I don't get to it, it's okay, because the dress itself with the cape without the lining takes about 5.5 yards of fabric at 60 inches. And then the lining takes about 2.5 to 3.5 inches of fabric. That's almost 10 yards of fabric, y'all. So bear with me as I figure this out. I thought it would be less. And to be honest with you, the shorter dress is no better in the yardage. It's kind of the same. It's up there with it too. I ain't even gonna lie. All right, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna hold on to this. And okay, so I shouldn't have said the last thing, right? Because honestly, I did get Joe his Christmas gift, but you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that Joe is notorious for giving me like things that are really, really like jacked up, and he wants me to always fix them. And I've been tired of doing that. And I'm thinking maybe I should make him his own sweatpants, like his own pair of sweatpants, like a matching hoodie and sweatpants. So I'm currently looking at patterns to see like what that looks like. What, do I need to dye fabric? Look, I'm just looking for a reason to dye fabric now. Or like, is that something that is achievable for this month? Or like, do I need to like hold that for Valentine's Day or something? I think that'll be cute. But either way, yeah, it's something that I'm mulling over in my head. And if I don't get to it this month, then it'll definitely be on the list for 2024 to make him something, because let me just show you this latest hoodie that he wants me to fix. Like, I just need to make him something because I can't perform operations on clothes like this. Like, this is crazy, y'all. Y'all, look at this hoodie. Like, the hoodie and the neckline have separated somehow. And then there's no more like true funnel for the strings. So the reason why he doesn't want to let this go is because this was like his warm-ups from when he was in college and he played basketball, and he's like, these have sentimental value. And I'm like, that's fine, but maybe you don't need to wear them anymore. Maybe just hold on to them. But I, like, a couple of years ago, I had fixed the pants to this, and the pants, you guys, the pants barely had a pocket. Like, what do these guys do with their clothes? So I might need to just make him something new, because don't get me wrong, I'm gonna fix it because I know it'll mean a lot to him. But we can't keep going around like this. Like, I refuse. Refuse. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And if you're not following me already, you can follow me at Raven Maureen on TikTok, Instagram, and Threads. I'll see you next time. Bye.